When you're the person who doctors the family, you're on call day and night. And since coughs can be extra annoying at night, that's a good time to doctor that cough with Robitussin. Because more doctors and pharmacists recommend Robitussin
That should do it.
than any other cough medicine. Robitussin, recommended by more doctors, pharmacists, and Dr. Mom.